You know, it doesn't have to be all about candy and sweet treats when it comes to Halloween. We're going to give you some really festive, fun ideas for the kids this Halloween season. Joining us this morning with some cute ideas is mom blogger Maggie Jackson, aka Maggie Holmes. We realize we're both Holmeses, but you're married and now Maggie Jackson.
I'm now a Jackson, that's right. Hi.
So this is really cute because you have two little ones.
Yes.
And you're right, Halloween comes around and all they want are treats, 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 candy. And that's good, but we're gonna incorporate some things that are good for them as well.
Sure, we can make Halloween healthy as well.
Yeah.
And how I always get my kids to eat healthy is getting them involved in the kitchen with me. So these are all recipes that they can help make you in the kitchen.
Okay,
so
this is really cute, Maggie. Talk us through this one here.
this is our green Goblin smoothie bowl. So you make a normal green smoothie. I like to do banana, spinach, some mango and berries, and then let your kid make a green Goblin face with some really fun toppings. So we can use coconut or granola for hair, dried fruit for the eyes, marshmallow, or even some nuts for the smile.
And you know, it is tough to get kids sometimes to eat green things, but when they can decorate it with a spooky face.
Certainly, and you can't even taste the spinach in the smoothie, I promise.
Yes, okay, these are really cute. These are spider crackers.
Yes, these are the spider crackers. So I used peanut butter for these, but you can also use cream cheese or any nut butter that you prefer. And make sure you put enough peanut butter or cream cheese on either side of the cracker.
Sweet.
And that way you can assemble and make sure that the legs stay in place, and your kids will have lots of fun
Little eyeballs.
adding little eyeballs
Nice.
to make your spider cracker. And you can use any round cracker. This is a whole wheat cracker that I like to use to make it a little healthier.
Yes, and you could stick that in the lunchbox, although not with peanut butter, right?
Exactly, right, yeah.
Not
Maybe
to
sunflower
school.
seed butter, cream cheese.
Exactly. This is a fun thing to do with fruit. You take your bananas and your little cuties and make them into pumpkins.
Yes, how cute is this? And so easy to do. So mom and dad, you can do the peeling and let your little ones assemble these. So I cut some little celery sticks and they can insert them into the cuties to make them pumpkins. And then with these bananas, mini chocolate chips, have them add for eyes and a mouth. And you have a banana ghost and a cutie pumpkin.
Fun. And then Rice Krispie bars are usually what you see, you know, the Rice Krispie treats. It looks like you use Cheerios.
I did use Cheerios. So these are so easy.
Those are cute.
They're a little sticky. They are only 3 ingredients, so easy to make. Peanut butter, or again, your nut butter of your choice, honey and Cheerios, and then I made little eyeballs, which your kids will have so much fun doing. Take cream cheese, roll into a ball, add little mini chocolate chips to make the eyes. And what's best about this is you don't have to make the cereal bars at home. You can add this to frozen waffles. You can buy the pre-packaged cereal bars and add these eyes, and just a lot more fun to eat and really festive.
Sweet little muffins here. Is there something that you stick in there that's good for them?
Oh,
hidden in these muffins?
Yeah, so my toddler calls these his superpower muffins because it's muffins because they're only made with good ingredients. They're gluten-free, made with spinach, banana, gluten-free rolled oats. But I turn them into Halloween cupcakes by adding some Nutella for the icing and some festive sprinkles that kids will have so much fun eating.
Really cute. And then a great idea with your grilled cheese. You took your cookie cutters and you made little shapes.
Yes, and so this is how kids have fun too. They will love making their shapes in the bread. I like to use pumpernickel or dark rye bread. That makes it a little spooky and more fun for the Halloween season. And then mom and dad, you do the stovetop cooking just to keep things a little safe. And the trick to this is to cook both sides of the bread on the stovetop first, and then add the cheese last and let it get melty, and then top your shaped bread at the end, and then you have a really fun lunchtime snack.
And you save your little bits too, of course.
You can eat those, of course.
Yeah. Maggie, great ideas.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate you being here.
Thank
For
you.
more on mom blogger Maggie Jackson, go to your website. Tell us what your website is. There it is.
It's MaggieHjackson.com, and I have all the recipes there.
Wonderful, Maggie. Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Happy
We're going to be
Halloween.
right back.